guys, my name is Maliya and welcome back to my channel. If I look a little Caucasian today, it's because I put a little bit too much sunscreen on, and so, you know, in my opinion, there's no such thing as too much sunscreen, but clearly my skin would disagree. For today's video, I decided that I would share with you guys my little closet organization tips. I decided to redo my closet because honestly, I decided to just clean my room. My closet and my clothes, as vain and as, I don't know how to describe it, do provide me some sort of happiness. So I decided to redo my closet. It just did not spark joy. Okay, so my closet is super messy, and this is what I love about the closet organization. This is a little overview. Yeah, my door literally cannot open anymore because I have so many jackets. As you can see, we have a lot of stuff on the ground, but I basically used to have a box here that used to hold a foam topper, and I'm gonna be putting that in the basement, and I'm gonna be moving one of my storage containers in here and moving my jackets up here so that I could like have room for my storage container. And then, I don't know, kind of just like try and optimize the space a bit. This right now I really like. I found it at my house. There was a white one and then there was this one, but I kind of like this, you know, like wooden vibe better. Right now I have all of my, you know, square-toed sandals hanging up. Y'all, we got the collection going. And then we have our shoes here still, and then we have some random clothes, random decorations, my godmother's little painting, and so many jackets we need to organize and go through. So as you can see, we have a lot of work to do. I'm gonna sit you down and then I'll show you guys what we're doing. So what I've done so far is I've attached these command hooks right here. Like I kind of like left some space between this storage and this shoe rack and the wall and this dresser space storage thing so that I could hang my cardigans back there. And I only have 4, so I do know like which ones because it's currently summer and I'm not wearing cardigans and so they're kind of like out of season right now, but when it becomes winter, I've decided that, you know, I could just swap out some of my like light wear jackets that I probably won't wear during the winter with the cardigans, or just leave them back there anyways, because again, I only have 4 and I know which ones they are anyways. I've decided that most of my hangers are going to be dedicated to my jackets. I think to me it's funny because I remember during the winter I'm literally sitting there and I'm like, I have no jackets, like I have nothing to wear, and a bitch goes thrifting and I have like way too many jackets. So now I'm trying to like figure out how to organize that, so stay tuned. Guys, so I finished my closet. It was so fun. It looks so cute. I'm really proud of myself. I'll give you guys a little overview of what it looks like now. See, now you already have so much more of an overview with the door being like open. So as soon as you walk in, we have this amazingly, like literally the softest carpet I have ever stepped foot on. She's from Winners, for those who want to know. I think she was like $20 at Winners. I know it's like $20 for a small rug. It's so soft. I'm like, I'm already gonna be in here a lot, might as well have my toes be comfortable, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see in this little corner, I moved my little storage thing that was on the outside in here, and I don't really have storage in here yet, but I'll put something in there eventually. And I kind of just have some of my favorite, I kind of have my bags laid out here, my nice little thrifted bags. This is a Guess one, and right behind it I have my ab wheel, so I really like that I can like hide some storage behind there too. Over here I have my socks. Here I have another one of my thrifted yellow bags, a favorite, and then behind it I have a wig. Here I have my bathing suits. We got a lot. And then here I have my tech drawer, which is an inside joke with my university friends, my suite from first year. Anyways, this is my tech drawer. It has like a ring light filter, some of my ring light filters, and just cords and stuff, controversial things bought before things were found out. I decided to, as I mentioned earlier, leave a little space between the wall and this storage container, which allowed me to kind of create like a mini sectioned off part of my closet. So I'll show you guys what I mean. I really like that my closet is separated by these, and I'm telling you, if you have these, utilize them, and then utilize like furniture in here. This little section, I decided to hide some of my dresses, and it is summertime, so like, you know, and I just know most of my wardrobe. When you're organizing your wardrobe is to know the clothes you have, get to know the clothes you have, so that you can maximize storage without having to like necessarily see where everything is. They're all kept like neatly in this corner because I have this little container here blocking them. Like I said, again, I know which dresses I have, so like whenever I'm thinking like I want to wear a dress, I can just go pick it out. And then I decided, because I wanted to keep this open, because I have my little organizer over there and I have some like jewelry and obviously I'm never gonna light this, it's just for the video. I want to get like a little jewelry tree maybe to like, you know, hang some stuff, but I wanted to keep it open, so I just hung some of my trousers, my linen trousers. And that, I guess, another organization trick I have is to just layer multiple linen things or anything that you're hanging up, layer multiple onto one hanger, because you don't really need like one hanger for one pair of jeans. Like you could fit a good like 2 to 4 depending on like how many jeans you have. Right here I decided to keep an outerwear jacket that I actually do wear frequently in the winter, like if I'm going out to like just to like go to the corner store. And so I decided to hang this up here also with my umbrella, because these are things that I can just grab and go. It also hides my dresses, again kind of creating this illusion that like there's nothing over there, and it covers my light switch, which is fine because like I know where this is. On this side I also utilize these little separator things. When I have these two hangers, like it makes a big difference if I move them over here compared to over here, because once they're here, again, they have that blockage from the storage container, they won't move, and it's just a seamless kind of, you know, it helps the volume like not be so bulky, you know what I'm saying? Like up here we still have all of my bags, like some more of my bags. These are like kind of like the ones that I use the most. I have some just boots up here. This, I don't know, I bought this off of AliExpress and I don't know why, so she's just here. I have some shoes up here that don't fit me, and like my stethoscope, BP cup, and some old yearbooks. I have a painting from a video that y'all should go watch, and back behind there I have a Bible. As you could probably imagine, that upper shelf is just filled with things that I am actually never gonna use again. Actually, I'm probably gonna use my stethoscope and BP cup like when I'm older and like have a family-ish, or like just for myself or like all my friends, but like that's a corner that like I don't really touch. That's why it's the way it is. Just like my platform sandals and nothing else at the moment. Down here I kind of just hid an extra blanket for the winter. I have tissues back there, and I have my yoga mat back there. Before I had just clutter back there that I didn't go through for the longest time, and so I went through that and I was able to hide a lot back there. Down here I still have my shoes, and I know they're probably not as like visible now, but like I can move this chair, which is a favorite chair. I've had this chair since the first house I've ever lived in. I know it's not like aesthetically pleasing or anything, but I don't really care that much. In person you can see them. I just have these two random little white t-shirts hanging here because they were hanging here, but I didn't want like the ink to get on them. I also have some of my display shoes, which are not like display shoes, they're just like my current favorite shoes that I'm wearing. They need to be cleaned, ignore that. So up here I have all of my jackets, so it's organized from least worn to most worn. I just have like this really oversized jacket that I thrifted. It's like huge, and this is one of my favorite jackets. I hope I get to wear it one day. This is another just thrifted jacket that's actually kind of uncomfortable. The material is as uncomfortable as it looks, so I might sell that or give it away because I don't actually wear it because it's so fucking uncomfortable. I have a leather jacket that I don't really wear, give that away too. I have some fuzzy sweaters, and then my blazers, which again, multi-purpose use. I'm hanging my jeans as well. Then I also have some trousers or track pants and some shorts hung up, and then again utilizing this this little thing, because as soon as it's here, it has all this space to kind of linger. Put it on this side, it only can linger so far and keeps the rest open. On this side, I have just some hung up skirts and shorts. I have more trousers. I have another blazer and some more leather jacket. Back here, I have hidden my knit sweaters. Again, it's summertime, so we don't really need to see those. We don't need to see the girls, so they're hidden over here. Those are all hidden with the illusions of the jacket. Also have some scarves back there. And then on top, we still have our boots, my work shirt, and random little things that were also like decorations in my dorm. Over here, I decided to use a nail here just because it was already there to hang up some bags that I don't necessarily wear all the time. And I didn't want them to be displayed here because they're not like, this one wasn't necessarily cute with the aesthetic, and like this one I just don't necessarily wear as much. So decided to use command hooks to hang up some belts. And over here we have the decluttered hook. I decided to put most of them on the first little hook because if they're on this one, then they project more. The door wouldn't open as much. Organize it by my outerwear jackets because they tend to be lighter. We got like my light fall jacket, my little winter fall transition jacket, another bomber jacket. I do apologize for the lighting and for the sounds in the background. That is my AC, but again, I'm blessed to even have an AC at this point because it's so hot where I'm living. Some people are gonna ask like, why do you care about your closet so much? Like, it's just a closet. For me, again, I literally find comfort in there. I have sometimes watched movies in there. Like, it's just my little paradise. It's my little resort, my little escape from reality sometimes, because your girl's a Pisces. If you haven't seen my move-in vlog, you should definitely probably watch that before. And if you want to see how I got my black wall, you know, you can go check out that video. I have a lot of clothes, and it still is, for some people, it'll still be claustrophobic, and I'm still working on it. I'm still, you know, looking for ways to store certain things. But if you have any storage recommendations for my closet, please leave them down below. I'm definitely always redoing my room, redoing anyone else's room. Like, I love my little interior design. I don't know, I'm being weird about this is because this is like so fucking cool to me. The thought of having a walk-in closet is like, and let me just preface for a second, I'm in my student house, and like some of the student houses in my area have been redone to have walk-in closets or en suites, or I don't know, it just makes me so happy. And I'm like incredibly grateful that I have this opportunity to have this closet because it has allowed me to appreciate my clothes and appreciate the things that I have in general, and to like also learn to let go of the things that I don't necessarily need, to donate things, to sell things. I shouldn't be getting deep into my closets. I don't know why my eyes look so red on camera. I think it's because I'm trying this new filter where I'm having like my little red lights, like 2 red lights here, just so I don't look so white. Pretty sure that's the reason why. I found out I didn't even film an outro. So since I didn't do that, I thought I'd give you guys a really quick update. In this little bin here, I decided to store all of my little skirts and my bike short. Keeps this area decluttered even more. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like or comment if you want. Follow my social medias if you want. Subscribe if you want. And I'll see you guys in my next video.